Hey guys, what's going on? So today we're going to break down human nature. So let's get into it. Okay, so we're starting out in the key of E flat. So the first move is this, right? In the right hand we have this. The left hand is playing this. If you cannot stretch, you can play this together. All right. So the other move is this, right? The right hand. The left hand. Together. Right? And again, if you cannot stretch, you cannot simply play this. Right? Right? Can work. So the other one is this, right hand, left hand, or this. So the chord is this, right hand has this, and left hand has this. Right? Then we go to or you could play so now we're going to A flat. Then we play this. It's basically this chord. Right? So now this. Right? This is basically So we have this in the right hand, left hand. Basically a drop two movement. That's the move right there. Right? Let's move on. So we're going back to the 5. You can play it that way. So 4-3. Then we go to the 2. So you can play that. And that is basically. Let me go again. Let me go back and see exactly what I played. Alright. So the next one is. So now we're in the key of F sharp. Right? F sharp, let's go back. So this is the chord I play for the 5. You can play. So it's basically the 4, 5, but I voice it in this way. Right? So we have the dissonant notes. Cool. So now we're at the flat 7. So we have this. Left hand, if you can stretch. Right hand. Human nature. Then we go to that move right there. Right? And so you can play that, if you can stretch, play that, or this. Or this, or this. You choose. So now we're going to C sharp. So this move right here. Then right, and we're almost done. So that's the 4 in C sharp. or to keep it basic, cool. And the other part, so that's a simple drop 2 move. And the melody is the left hand will be playing, put it together, slower. All right. Next we have so 4/5. You can play that. You can play. You can play that. Or that. You choose. And to finish it off, we had right? And that's basically it.